YouTube, what's going on? This is your boy DbKicks. It's 2019. We are back with another video. First video 2019. As you can see, we are not in the living room anymore. We got a brand new setup. You know what I'm saying? Got the collection behind me. Some shit over there, but whatever. We'll get to that later. But anyways, before I forget, please do me a favor. Like, comment, subscribe. Positive feedback, negative feedback. Any ideas, anything you guys want, let me know so I can try to make that happen for you. And also follow me on Instagram at DB_Kicks. Should be somewhere over here. And Twitter, DB_Kicks23. Now let's get into this pickup that we got. Alright, so as you can see, what we got here today, we got a pink Nike SB Dunk box. So we're gonna pull these out, man. See what they're looking like. Laces in here. Alright, cool. Let's move this to the side. Alright. So pretty much what this was, y'all, so back in, I believe, 2005, there was a Nike SB Dunk Pigeon, caused riots. Shit was crazy. It was in New York. No one wasn't there, nothing. I don't even know. So this is the third version of the Jeff Staple Pigeon. I like it. It's dope, man. It's different. I like the greens in it. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what the pigeon and the panda have to do with each other. Apparently, he looks at like the panda as the China mascot and the pigeon as the New York mascot, I believe. But anyways, so they first dropped them on the network app. I believe like a week and a half ago. That shit crashed through the bots. That failed. So I tried that. I missed the actual release, so Nike Sneakers did the raffle on the 15th, and I entered and I won. First raffle of the year. I already won, man. Got my size too, so it doesn't get no better than that. But anyways, we're gonna get into this. Alright, so for starters, on the front of the sneaker, you got a smooth black nubuck right here. You got that white toe box and leather, and as you work your way up to the shoe, you got the black Nike SB Dunk laces, the black Nike SB Dunk tongue with the hits of green on it. As you get to the insole, you have that bamboo green right there with the bamboo trees in it. And as you pull this back, you kind of got that staple slash sample not for resale stamp right there. And as you work your way to the outside of the shoe, you got that same black and white Panda Pigeon colorway right there, and on the heel you got the pigeon, and on the back you can't really tell, but this is that white 3M heel tab. That's a nice touch. I like that part right there. And this is the part I like of the shoe. If you go to the lateral side of the sneaker, you got that nice pigeon gray swoosh right there, and that's a nod to the OG Nike SB Dunk Pigeon from 2005. And last but not least, we'll get to the bottom of the sole. This is the craziest part right here. So if you look at this right here, you got the old newspaper clippings from 2005 when the riots and stuff broke out. It was on the news or whatnot. That was a long time ago. I've never actually seen it, but I just saw it on YouTube and did some research. But so that's about it as far as the details on the sneaker. Alright, so actually I left one small detail out, so just a quick history lesson. So there's 3 Nike SB Pigeon Dunks, right? We have this new version, which is 2019 Panda Pigeon. 2017 we got the all black Pigeon, and in 2005 we got the gray original Pigeon, right? But let's reverse to 2007, and we got this shoe right here. A lot of kids ain't gonna know what this is, but that's why I'm showing you. You never know who's watching. So we got the Nike SB What the Dunk, right? So if you've ever seen this shoe, this is one of the most iconic Nike SB Dunks ever made, in my opinion, and I'm lucky to have them in my size. But anyways, on the heel, you got that dirty ass NYC Pigeon, and that's where they got the logo from. So You know what I'm saying? If you've seen this before, this is where they get it from. Alright guys, so there you have it. That was my review on the Nike SB Dunk Panda Pigeon. So overall, I think it's a dope shoe. What I do like about it is, for one, it's the Nike SB, so not only is it wearable, durable, but the colors are easy to wear. Like, it's black, white, gray with some hit of green. You can style these with some blue jeans, black jeans, black jogger, however you want to do it, depending on what your style is. But yeah, so make sure you follow me on Instagram at DB_Kicks. My Twitter is, again, DB_Kicks23. And we're gonna shoot for some milestones, man. So if we can get this video to just 20 likes, I will do the on foot video, how to style it, what I would wear with it, because not only do I love shoes, but I like hooking my sneakers up with the right fit too. So there you have it, man. This is it. This is the Nike SB Dunk Panda Pigeon.